Hello everyone, welcome to Chirags Kali Linux tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn vulnerability analysis tool in Kali Linux. One of the most crucial stage of hacking is vulnerability analysis. It comes after the information gathering. It is one of the most important process in the application design process. Previous step was the information gathering. This is the vulnerability analysis. This is the second stage. There are the many vulnerabilities in the cyber world, which are the opening software that allow hackers to carry out attacks. These faults serve as injection points or points where an attacker could utilize them as a jumping off point for an attack. There is over 300 tools included with Kali Linux, many of which are used for vulnerability assessments. This list of the most popular tools for vulnerability assessment analysis in Kali Linux include all of available tools. We'll go one by one tool. So now there is a first tool. I'm going to Nikto. Already we have discussed there is a more than 300 tools are included. Some of the tools I'll go through this video, and if you require any particular tool, just let me know in comment box. So I'll go through that tool. I'll create video and post it. Now I'm going through the Nikto. What is Nikto? A web server is scanned using Nikto. It's the open source program written in the Perl programming language to check for vulnerabilities that might be exploited and lead the server compromise. Additionally, it can detect issue with the specific version details on more than 200 servers. Check for out of date version details on 1200 or 1200 servers. It included ton of features and few of them are listed here. Full support of SSL, look for the subdomain, support full HTTP proxy, outdated component report, username guessing. How to install? First open the Kali Linux, then just run the command sudo apt install Nikto. If already installed, then no need to run this command. Just we are going to check that. And use Nikto. There is a command Nikto -h, then IP address, then host name. For example, so we can run like this: Nikto -h Chirags.in Nikto -h, then is a IP address for this particular website. Let me open the Kali Linux, open terminal. I'm going to log in with the sudo user, super user, and this Kali Linux. Let me run pt install. We check already installed or not. So reading package Nikto is already newest version already installed. So 0 upgrades, 0 newly installed, and remove the and 115 not upgraded. Let me check with the Nikto -h. So these are the configs options required to the argument. These are the argument we can use: no SSL, disable SSL, and other things. Now I am going to run the Nikto -h Chirags. Let me check. Okay, it gives some result. It will take some time. That's not an issue. We want to see how it runs. So target IP is this one, and target host name Chirags.in, target port 80 port, start time is showing, server light speed, click jacking, X frame options, header are not present, XSS protection, headers are not defined. I already removed for my requirement. So later I will put this one and I will run and I will show you again. So X content type options, header not included, and page redirection. This one, no CGI directories found. So these are the targets, and whatever we need to change, we can go through this one. Anti-clicking X-frame options header should be included for the security purpose, and cross-site scripting protection header is not defined. This should be defined. Cross-site scripting is one of the important security parameters. X content type options should be there. So this parameter we can list it down. Next, so we can run the Nikto with the SSL also. You can put SSL. Second is Burp Suite. One of the most well linked web application security tested tool is the Burp Suite. All queries from the browser using proxy travel via it because it's being used as a proxy. Additionally, we are able to modify the request as they go through the Burp Suite, which is useful for the testing web vulnerabilities like XSS, cross-site scripting, SQLI, and other web-related vulnerability. All through the Burp Suite community edition that's come with the Kali Linux HP. There is also professional edition available that cost money and include much more features uh, than the free version. So this is the Burp Suite and open terminal, and we can write down. Before that, we should know how to install. This is the code for the installation. I'll go separate video for the Burp Suite and separate video for the SQL map. So this is the process to install. And again, I'm moving to the GenMap. It is yet another useful tool that Kali Linux ethical hacking phase of scanning. Already we have seen the GenMap. So GenMap, this is a command to install with the GenMap, and we can get the information regarding our target. The graphical user interface. This is the just like Nmap and graphical user interface. That is the next is Nmap. So Nmap is also there. So let me first run the Nmap. We run Nmap in this, and parallelly I'm going to run the Gen. As we know, Nmap and Genmap related, both are near about same, and Genmap is the GUI version of Nmap. Target is Chirags.in. Let me scan. So starting the Nmap, the GUI version, we have a window for that. This is a logo for the Nmap, and it will show what are the ports are open related to my particular domain or IP. Let Nmap is complete. It will take few seconds. I mean, there are 46% is done. Let it scan. Genmap also scan is running. So here we can able to see what the ports are open. There's a 21, 443, 3306. There's MySQL port, 80 HTTP port, 443 HTTPS or SSL port. So let scan is running. So now go to the next. Replace the IP address with the IP address you host want to scan. It display all the capture details of the host. There is just some of the tools are already available in the listed here. BBQ SQL, BD, Cisco Torch will be there. Yes, see Cisco Torch, Cisco OS, and copy routing donor, and this thing super SQL source Genmap should be there. Genmap is not listed here. I'll put it there. So these are the tools already available. More than we have 300 tools. Some of the important tools I have given there, and we already tested. It's completed. This is somewhat slow, not a problem. So that will also give you the same result as this is giving. Okay. So run this one, try with your domain and check what are the ports are open and what are the ports are needed to open for the your site, your application. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.